Welcome to Fishbone Off-Road's instructions on how to remove Ford's 6th generation Bronco front and rear bumper. Step 1. Starting with the front, with a body clip remover, remove the 4 body clips around each shackle . Followed by unclipping their covers. Just behind the driver's side shackle is the sensor harness. Unclip it before continuing. Step 2. With a 15mm socket, remove the 4 bolts from each shackle. And with the help of a friend, remove the bumper. Step 3. Begin removing the sensor harness. With a 13mm socket, remove the 4 bolts retaining each shackle bracket. Followed by the 2 braces on each side with a T40 Torx bit. Gently remove the sensors by pulling the side tabs apart while pushing in at the same time. Step 4. With a 15mm socket and the help of a friend, remove the 4 bolts securing your skid plate. Moving on to the rear, Step 1. With a 13mm socket, remove the bolt located just behind each wheel arch. Followed by disconnecting the power connectors just above inside the body on both driver and passenger sides. Step 2. With an 18mm socket, remove the 2 bolts on each side located below each tow hook, freeing the bumper. With the help of a friend, remove the bumper. Step 3. With a 13mm socket, remove the 19 bolts securing the 5 bumper plates. Exposing your sensor harness. Lift the plates, and with a body clip remover, pop the clips out to free the plates and the wiring. Finally, carefully push out your sensors, and you're done.